Hello, everyone. Welcome to Spark English. I'm glad you're here today. In this lesson, we won't rush. We'll take things slowly. We'll learn English through small, familiar moments, the kind you live every day. So if you're listening at home or on the way somewhere, just relax and listen. And if this style helps you, remember to like this lesson and subscribe to Spark English. It really motivates us to create more calm, useful English for you. Now, let's begin our story.
Hi, my name is Anna. This morning, I wake up and stay in bed for a few seconds. The room is quiet. I look around my bedroom with sleepy eyes. My blanket is twisted. Clothes are on the chair. There's dust on the floor. I sigh softly and think, my room really needs some cleaning today.
Anna opens the window slowly. Fresh air comes in. Light fills the room. Sometimes cleaning isn't just about the house, it's about making your mind feel lighter too. Let's stay with Anna and start the day together. Anna starts with the bedroom. It's a small space, but it feels full of little things to do. She takes one step at a time.
First, I stand up and stretch my arms. I take a deep breath and look at my bed. The blanket is messy. The pillows are not in place, so I start with the bed. I pull the blanket straight. I shake the pillows and place them neatly. Then, I smooth the bedsheet with my hands. That already feels better. The bed looks clean and calm now. Next, I look at the chair near my desk. There are clothes on it, a sweater, a pair of jeans, a t-shirt. I pick them up one by one. Some clothes are clean. I fold them carefully and put them back in the closet. Other clothes are dirty. I put them into the laundry basket. I don't rush. I just move slowly and enjoy the quiet.
The room feels a little lighter now, but Anna isn't done yet.
Now I look at my desk. There are books, a notebook, and a few cups. I move the cups to the kitchen later pile. Then I stack the books neatly. I take a cloth and start to wipe the desk. I wipe the surface. I wipe the edges. I wipe under the lamp. I can see the dust on the cloth. Wow, I didn't notice it before. Finally, I look down at the floor. There is dust and a little bit of hair. I pick up the broom and start to sweep the floor. I sweep under the bed. I sweep near the door. I sweep slowly, listening to the soft sound of the broom. When I finish, the floor looks clean again. I step back and look around my room. The bed is made, the clothes are away, the desk is clean, the floor looks fresh. I smile quietly to myself. Cleaning takes time, but it feels good. My room feels calm, and somehow so do I.
Anna finishes cleaning her bedroom, but the day is not over yet. Next, she moves to another part of the house. After finishing the bedroom, Anna walks into the living room. This is the place where the family spends most of their time, so it needs a little extra care.
I walk into the living room and stop for a moment. The sofa looks a bit messy. There are cushions everywhere. A blanket is hanging off the side. I start with the sofa. I pick up the cushions and fluff them gently. I place them back, one by one. Then I fold the blanket and lay it neatly on the arm of the sofa. It already looks much better. Next, I look at the coffee table. There are magazines, a remote control, and an empty cup. I take the cup to the kitchen. I stack the magazines neatly and put the remote control back in its place. Then I grab a cleaning cloth. I wipe the table slowly. I wipe the top, then the sides, then the legs. I like watching the table shine again.
Small movements, simple actions, but they slowly change the room.
Now I turn on the vacuum cleaner. It makes a loud sound, but I don't mind. I vacuum the carpet carefully. I move forward, then backward. I vacuum under the sofa and around the table. It takes a few minutes, but when I finish, the floor feels clean under my feet. I walk slowly to the window and gently open the curtains. Warm sunlight fills the room. It feels soft on my face. I open the window just a little bit. Fresh air comes in quietly and mixes with the clean smell of the room. I close my eyes for a second and take a slow breath. Then I look around and smile.
The living room feels open now, bright, comfortable. I take a deep breath and smile softly. Cleaning isn't just work. Sometimes it feels like a quiet moment for myself.
The living room is done, but there's still one more place to clean. Next, Anna heads into the kitchen.
After the living room, Anna walks into the kitchen. This is the heart of the house, a place full of sounds, smells, and small memories.
I step into the kitchen and turn around slowly. The sink is full of dishes. There are water drops on the counter. Crumbs are on the table. It's not terrible, but it's not clean either. I take a deep breath and roll up my sleeves. Okay, I can do this. I start with the sink. I turn on the tap and feel the warm water on my hands. I rinse the dishes first. I rinse the plates, the bowls, and the cups. Then I add dish soap to the sponge. It smells like lemon. I wash each plate carefully. I scrub gently. I rinse slowly. I place it on the drying rack. Clink, clink. The sound is soft and familiar. I wash the glasses next. I'm careful with them. I don't want them to break. When all the dishes are done, the sink is empty. I wipe it clean with a cloth. I dry the faucet until it shines. I stop for a second and look at it. A clean sink always makes me feel better.
Sometimes small things bring the most peace.
Now I move to the counter. I spray cleaner and wait a moment. Then I wipe slowly from left to right. I lift the toaster. I wipe under it. I move the cutting board and clean behind it. I don't rush. I like doing things properly. Next, I clean the stove. There are small oil stains from cooking. I wipe the surface. I clean the corners. I feel a little proud when the stove looks clean again. I open the fridge and take a closer look. I throw away old food. I close open containers. I line up the bottles. Water here, milk there. I put fruit in one drawer and vegetables in another. Everything has its place. Then I wipe the table. I remove everything first: a notebook, a pen, a cup. I wipe the table until it feels smooth. I put things back neatly. Finally, I sweep the floor. I move the chair. I sweep under the table. I sweep near the fridge. When I finish, the floor feels clean under my feet. I turn off the light and look around once more. The kitchen feels fresh now, calm, ready. I smile quietly to myself.
The kitchen is done. The house is almost clean. But there's one more space that needs attention. After finishing the kitchen, Anna walks into the bathroom. It's a small space, but it needs careful cleaning.
I step into the bathroom and turn on the light. The mirror has water spots. The sink looks a little dull. The floor feels cold under my feet. I sigh softly. Okay, bathroom time. I start with the sink. I turn on the tap and rinse the basin. Then I spray cleaner around the sink and on the faucet. I take a sponge and scrub in small circles. I scrub the sides, the bottom, and around the drain. The smell of cleaner fills the room. I rinse everything with water and wipe it dry with a cloth. The faucet shines again. I smile. Clean water, clean surfaces, small satisfaction. Next, I move to the mirror. I spray glass cleaner and wipe gently. Up and down, left and right. The mirror becomes clear. I can see my face again. I look a little tired, but also calm. Now the toilet. I take another deep breath. I add cleaner to the toilet bowl and let it sit for a moment. Then I scrub inside with the toilet brush. I clean under the rim and around the edges. I flush and watch the water spin. I wipe the seat and the outside of the toilet. I don't rush. I want it to be really clean. When I finish, I step back slightly. Okay, done. Now I clean the shower area. I rinse the tiles with water. There are soap marks on the wall and shampoo bottles on the shelf. I wipe the tiles slowly and clean the shelf. I line up the bottles neatly. Finally, the floor. I sweep first and then mop the floor. The water is warm. I move carefully so I don't slip. The floor starts to shine. I hang a clean towel on the rack. I place a fresh hand soap next to the sink. I step out of the bathroom and turn off the light. The bathroom smells clean, fresh, peaceful. I feel lighter.
Another room is done. The house is almost ready to rest. After cleaning the bathroom, Anna moves on to one last task: laundry.
I walk into the laundry area and look at the basket. It's full. Shirts, towels, socks, everything from the week. I kneel down and start sorting the clothes. Light colors in one pile, dark colors in another. I don't want the colors to mix. I check the pockets carefully. No tissues, no coins. Good. I put the clothes into the washing machine, one piece at a time. I pour detergent into the drawer, not too much, just enough. I close the door and choose the program: normal wash, warm water. Then I press the start button. The machine begins to work. A soft, steady sound fills the room. While the clothes are washing, I take a moment to rest. I lean against the wall and stretch my shoulders. Cleaning takes energy, but it also clears my mind.
Simple work, simple moments.
When the washing is done, I take the clothes out. They feel warm and smell clean. I shake them gently and hang them on the rack. Shirts straight, towels smooth. I like things neat. I step back and look. Clean house, clean clothes. I take a deep breath and smile.
Closing. A clean home brings a calm heart.
Cleaning is not just work for me. It's time to slow down, time to breathe, time to take care of my space and myself. If you are listening right now, maybe you can clean with me next time. One room at a time, one small step.
And if this story helped you learn new English words and daily actions,
Please like this video and subscribe to Spark English. Your support gives us motivation to create more slow, clear, and useful English stories for you. Thank you for cleaning, learning, and relaxing with us today. See you in the next video.